Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to make these cute little pom-pom clips, the little clothespins ones. Super easy tutorial, but they look so cute, you guys. You know that we are super crazy about little pom-poms, so I thought it would be fun to use my Arteza acrylic paints. If you guys don't know, they sent me some products to play around with. I haven't gotten around to playing with everything as of yet, just because of my busy schedule, but I knew once I got these acrylic paints that I wanted to paint these clothespins that I had purchased at Dollar Tree. So that's what I did. You have a great selection of colors. You can see my basket is filled here. I'm going to have them linked down below so you guys can go check out their acrylic paints. They come in these cute little tubes. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be using the pink one and the titanium white. You get a great amount in these little tubes, you guys, and they're super affordable. I think you get over 100 different colors. So definitely check the link down below, and I want to show you guys how easy this is. So all I used was the Arteza acrylic paints. I used this little brush. It was a little bit bigger, but I had to cut it because of the clip, the clothespin. And then I used some pom-poms that I had in my stash. And let me show you guys what they look like. These are going to be so fun to package up and put in Happy Mail. So I did like all pink, all peach, and then all the mint green ones. I did the same thing on the white, and I just glued it on with hot glue. Here's the white with the pink, and then I did the pink with all the different color pom-poms. So if you have like a bigger selection of pom-poms, of course you can make them all different types of colors. I did only paint the top part, but you can paint the whole clothespin if you want. You see, I just did the top layer. So let me show you how easy it is to make. Let me find my clothespins. So I just picked up a pack of these at my local Dollar Tree. You grab one of your clothespins, and you grab your paint. This is a fun way just to make your own, and you don't have to use pom-poms. You can use flowers. So you paint up your little stick, clip, like a stick and pin. But super easy, you guys. You can wait until that one dries a little bit more, just to make it the color a little bit more matte, and for it to show up more stark white. What I do also is use my finger, because kind of like the brush kind of wipes away so you can see the white better. You see that? I didn't even realize I was like off frame. And you can see more of the white if you do it like that, just because the brush kind of swipes away the paint. And then you can like clean up the little corners, but you're not going to be able to see that once you put your pom-poms. So you let that dry for a little bit. I have a fan right here on my desk, and then I just let that dry. And then you place your pom-poms, you guys. You pick whichever colors you want. I think for this one I might do peach and the mint green. So like 1 and 1. It dries pretty fast, you guys. Sorry if you guys hear little kids. There's a bunch of them in the backyard. I think I have my hot glue gun going, but you just add a little dot of glue onto your pom-pom. nothing crazy, and just place it right up top. Okay, right up top like that, and then you just work your way down. And you don't have to do it all the way down. You can do 1, 2, or 3, however many pom-poms you want, whatever size pom-poms you want. I think I'm gonna do 3 on this one, and then the 2 on the bottom. But I love these colors, you guys. The peach, I think I'm gonna do 2 peach on the bottom. Super easy, you guys. Look at that. Isn't that super cute? And then you could just make like a whole pack of clothespins for your friends, pen pal. Use them on some Happy Mail, some like stuffed envelopes, or anything you want, you guys. Super easy. So I will have everything linked down below. Definitely go check out Arteza. They have amazing art supplies and super affordable. All the links will be down below, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.